It's a perfect day for wing gliding. Let's hope it stays that way.
Toothless, is that launcher ready yet? We've got wing gliders coming.
Oops, came out of a wing glider with no wings. Hope nothing else goes wrong. Here it goes. With these wings, soar over bird just like a cat, but without the fishy afterstep. Scronkle nest. Yay! There's nothing alarming or horribly terrifying about that. Let's just keep moving. Gang, I was kidding. We need to get out of here. And they're at it. Okay, and launch. You can join Toothless and me for a ride anytime.